Just got back from a road trip, a number of weeks on the road, and I bought this Victorinox Rambler just before I left. Now I added the lanyard, just some simple 550 cord so I can grab it easily, and I left this like in the area where my change would go in the vehicle, and I bought this one so that I'd have a little pocket knife in the vehicle. Now I normally carry a knife, but when I'm sitting in the vehicle it's kind of a pain to find it in my pockets, so I figured having one just handy might be useful. And after, like I say, a number of weeks on the road, about 5,000 miles, very useful. The little blade is super easy to get to. When you look at it, you can see the file on the other side, so you know where the blade is. It's obviously razor sharp, so it's great for opening bags and packages and things while you're driving. This little tool is actually pretty handy. There's a tiny screwdriver on it. It's kind of thick, so it's not really like a blade, but it's great for like probing, scraping, and stuff. I use the nail file all the time. Super handy to just keep your nails if you get like something on your nails. And then the little scissors are about as handy as you can get. I really like the scissors on the Victorinox knives. Now it has tweezers and it has a toothpick. I usually keep some toothpicks, but it's nice to have an emergency one if I need it. All right, hope this helps.